What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the expansion by Seagate. This is an 8 terabyte external hard drive. Now it's nothing too fancy, it is USB 3.0 so it gives you that fast transmission, but it's a pretty substantial external hard drive that I personally have needed for a while. I have a couple 1 and 2 terabyte hard drives, but I was like, you know, it's just not enough, especially shooting, you know, footage with 3 cameras. Sometimes it gets to be a little much and I would like to start storing my stock footage. A lot of YouTubers out there could probably relate to this, but when you're first starting out, you don't have a lot of money. You don't have a server to run off of with like, you know, a petabyte of storage where you can just store everything. So a lot of times you end up just deleting the original footage. You use it, you edit it, you keep the edited version most of the time. I always have, but I always got rid of the stock footage. Now, the bad thing about that is without having the stock footage, I can't go back and reference that footage or use it as I want to. I would have to go to the edited version and work with what I've left myself. Plus, I had a suggestion, and I don't remember your name, but the comment stuck out to me, and I'll put it down below here. But they suggested that, you know, something that's most unboxing channels don't really do, and that's like outtakes. Well, to be honest, I cut a lot of footage out. And sometimes I do have some, you know, silly stuff behind the scenes that I don't leave in the videos, but I thought it was a really cool suggestion. I was like, you know what? That's actually a really good idea. I might actually use that in the future, but that got me thinking about keeping my original footage. So with that said, I got this. Now, it's about 160 bucks. It's not too expensive. I think it's on sale right now, or they got a really good deal going on Amazon if you're a Prime member. I believe the normal price is like, like $200, something like that. So they got a really good deal going on. If you are looking for some expansion, this might be a good way to go. So the whole unit itself, it's only about a pound. It's got a 5 gigabyte per second transfer rate, so it's not super fast. I mean, this isn't your, you know, SSD or anything. This is a pretty standard, you know, modern standard. It came out about 2 years ago. It's gonna get the job done for storage. I'm not gonna be using it for like active projects. I'll put that on like my M.2s. How about let's just open it? The design of it looked really cool too. It doesn't really matter, but it kind of does at the same time. Goodbye. Oh yeah. All right, okay, so the first box, we've got probably the power adapter. Yes, of course. USB cable, power adapter, box. Power adapter, pretty basic, very simple. What is this? It's 12 volt. 12 volt power adapter, very basic, very simple. Cable length, 6 foot long cable, very decent size, good enough to reach to the back of a desk. And the USB cable, very heavy duty. It is Seagate, so you can expect some pretty good quality. About a 4.5 foot USB 3, and the unit itself. Bam. Boom. Now, this is compatible with PC and Mac. If you're getting it and you have a Mac, you're gonna have to do a format of it. This standard comes compatible with PC. Very cool looking. Wow, look at that. That is very nice. It's got a hollowness to it, but I like the pattern on there. It's actually, you can actually feel it. It's raised up. It's got the Seagate right here. On the back, you got your power adapter port and your USB 3.0 port. And I believe that is an LED light right there, a little sliver. We'll power it on and find out. On the bottom, you've got these 4 feet. Now, I think you can lay it down however you want to, but I think they intend it to be standing up. That's the front. There's absolutely nothing on the front. Bam. There we go. Cool. So it is. There it is right there. Seagate expansion drive, 7.27 terabytes. That's 8,946,610,176 bytes. It's a lot of bytes. There's lots of bytes there.
My nipples hurt. Oh, goodness me. What about him?
Playback on it is really good. Now, I don't know about using it for, say, you know, your Steam install where you're gonna put your games and stuff like that. I probably wouldn't do that. Again, me personally, I'm only using this for storage. Even if you're not a creator, you know, maybe you have a large movie library or music or something. It's a great place to store it. It's big enough to where you can set it off to the side, you have it plugged in at all times, you access it when you need it. I found this online and I figured I'd share this. What can your device actually hold? Now, this chart only goes up to 4 terabytes. terabytes. Now, just to give you an idea of what 8 terabytes can actually hold, here's images. At 4 terabytes, you can hold up to 800,000 images. So this being 8 terabytes, that's double that. Music, over 1 million songs. So I can hold up to 2 million songs on here. Movies, 482. Again, double. Blu-ray, so high quality 1080 or 4K video, I can hold up to 247 videos, but double that. Anyway, 8 terabytes is definitely gonna take me a little ways. I'm not gonna have to worry about space for a while, which is good. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. Go check it out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here.